So, as a mobile DJ, what product or service would you like to see out there that would just make your life better? Maybe it would make your setup easier, or maybe it would make things more fun for you, or maybe it would earn you more money. Let us know in the comment section. I've asked similar questions like this before, and one response that I get an awful lot is, I want a built-in roadie with my equipment. Now, as humorous as that may or may not be, the reason I make these videos is in the hopes that someone from these companies watch it and read the answers and maybe really hear us and get some ideas and pass them on to the research and development people, their R&D team. I'm asking the question again because I was just at DJ Expo, and although there were some cool things there, I saw some stuff that I really liked, game-changing stuff. Most of it I already knew about, I was already aware of. Some of it I already owned, but it's relatively new stuff that's very different from what we've seen in the past, you know. But most of the stuff that I saw at Expo was more of the same. I saw weird stuff like a bubble machine that was also a fogger. Now, I've seen that before. I saw it at NAMM. It was really cool, but it was like a big industrial machine. I saw a smaller one that maybe a mobile DJ could use. And I was asking myself, would I use it? Who would use it? I don't know. I saw video walls, and the resolution is getting better, and they're getting lighter, and they're getting less expensive. And again, I'm asking myself, what mobile DJ asks for this, or needs this, or is going to buy it? I know some people do. Some people are into production and things, but when you think about the average wedding DJ, we're probably not chasing after this stuff. This is probably not what's on our mind. We have the bubble machines with fog. We have the LED video screens, yet we're still using a controller and a laptop and the same 5 programs with MP3, and we're still running speaker cables. I mean, you know, what's changed? We're still running external microphone mixing boards. I don't want to ramble on too much about this. I've already done enough of it, but yeah, really think about it. What's going to make your life better? Let us know in the comment section. Maybe somebody will see it and maybe they'll act on it. That's it. We'll see you later on this week. I've got some videos planned for you. In the meantime, enjoy the Expo stuff that I posted. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.